are here all checked in to the Atlanta Marriott in Buckhead and Conference Center. And so I just want to give you a quick hotel room tour. Obviously you can tell this is an older hotel that has been refurbished. So we've got a nice little bathroom. Obviously there's the normal toiletries. Full length mirror. And then we've got a nice king size bed with all kinds of amenities. So you've got like the alarm clock and TV. And then you can see we brought in some of our swag. Of course I had to stop at Run Disney. And then we've got a glorious balcony and a room with a apparently city view. So this is Buckhead. And that's our view. Not the most spectacular thing, but it'll do. We are only here really to sleep. So that is our quick hotel room tour of the Atlanta Marriott in Buckhead. And of course, if you're staying here in the future, you've got a small little fridge and then tons of drawer space. And then there's also a full closet over here with robes and everything. Cute. I will tell you, when we checked into the hotel, they actually gave us 2 really nice cooling towels for tomorrow's race. They obviously are very prepared for the runners for the Peachtree Road Race. And then we've received all kinds of information. This is all about the road closures because they close pretty much every single road in Buckhead starting at midnight tonight. And then this has kind of like all the different instructions on where to go and the course map and just all kinds of stuff. So if you are staying here in the future for the Peachtree, just know if you forget to prepare all of this stuff or print all this documentation with you, they definitely have you covered. So just wanted to share that really quick. For the Peachtree. Say hi, Mom. Hey, what's up? Gonna be in the show. We're off. We're off and ready.